Yeah, I mean, it just comes down to, will the oil companies allow it? I think, you know, you look at the cost savings for us as a country, it makes us more independent, we save money. I mean, obviously there's all the benefits to the planet, which even if you, for people that's not their biggest concern, the first two reasons should be big concerns. So I don't think there's any way we go away from it. It's just a matter of time. The gas guzzlers are going to be gone eventually, and this is the way of the future. But we're, you know, just slowly, you know, just moving these fleets of gas vehicles out of the system, and it just takes time to kind of get them out of the system. But it won't be long before they're gone. I mean, look at Tesla. I mean, part of the reason that Tesla was just that idea alone, that's where everything's going, is electric vehicles. And so if you have any idea, if you believe it in at all, and you see what this company did, then you have to believe that's the future.
Do you think it's worthwhile subsidizing, for the government to subsidize?
Yes, absolutely. I think that they should, yeah. I think the sooner we get to this place, the more efficient our country will be.
All right.
And it's great for silver, which I'm a big believer and holder of silver, so it's selfishly it's good too. Colin Plume, President and CEO of Noble Gold Investments. If you want to learn more about what we do and get our free gold guide and our updates, we send weekly updates, you want to get videos, a lot of free information, check out noblegoldinvestments.com, or you can call us and we can get you in the system. You can also talk to a live person here in the United States, 877-646-5347.